Have you heard of GPT-4? It's the latest buzzword in the tech world, and everyone's talking about it. But what exactly is it? And why is it causing such a stir? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into GPT-4 and explore everything you need to know. To understand GPT-4, we first need to go back to the basics. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of machine learning model that can generate human-like text, images, and even code. GPT-4 is the fourth iteration of this model, and it promises to be the most advanced yet.
I have here a nice hand-drawn mock-up of a joke website. Definitely worthy of being put up on my refrigerator. So I'm just going to take out my phone, literally take a photo of this mock-up, then I'm going to send it to our Discord. And here we go. Technology is now solved. And now we wait. So the thing that's amazing in my mind is that what's going on here is we're talking to a neural network. And this neural network was trained to predict what comes next. Right? It played this game of sort of being shown a partial document and then predicted what comes next across an unimaginably large amount of content. And from there, it learns all of these skills that you can apply in all of these very flexible ways. And so we can actually take now this output. So literally we just said to output the HTML from that picture. And here we go. Actual working JavaScript, filled in the jokes. For comparison, this was the original of our mockup. And so there you go, going from hand-drawn, beautiful art, if I do say so myself, to working website.
2. GPT-4 can help build a fully functional video game. Here's an example of a ping pong game created in 60 seconds. 3. GPT-4 can help you build a Chrome extension without any previous coding experience. 4. DoNotPay is working on GPT-4 to create one-click lawsuits to sue robocallers. So in the future, you can use GPT-4 to handle your legal matters without hiring a lawyer. 5. GPT-4 can discover drugs and can be useful for science as well. Give it a currently available drug and it can. Find compounds with similar properties. Modify them to make sure they're not patented. Purchase them from a supplier, even including sending an email with a purchase order. 6. 20 jobs that will be replaced by GPT. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to ensure that these AI models are developed ethically and with transparency to avoid unintended consequences. That's a crucial point. As powerful as GPT-4 is, we need to make sure it's used for good and doesn't perpetuate existing biases or harm marginalized communities. So there you have it, everything you need to know about GPT-4. Are you excited about the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the latest tech trends.